Okay, guys, I'm back with science. Today is our last lesson of the human body. Can you believe we're already on lesson 10? You all have learned so many cool facts about the bodies today. So let's get right into it, okay? I'm going to share my screen. All right, today's lesson is called What a Complicated Network. Let's review what we've learned so far. I'm going to quiz you. Here we go. How many bones do you have? Did you say 206? If you did, yay! Which muscle is the biggest in your body? It is your gluteus maximus. Do you remember what your gluteus maximus is? I'll give you a hint. You're sitting on it. It's your bottom. Why does your body still have food in today that you ate 2 days ago? Because that's how long it takes for your body to digest everything. How long does it take for your blood to go all around your body? If you said 1 minute, you're right. What controls your 5 senses? Did you say your brain? Oh, you would be correct. All right, guys. So our vocabulary word today is only one, complicated. So what does it mean if something is complicated? It's hard to understand or it's too difficult to do. The recipe was extremely complicated and had many steps to follow. Have you ever thought something was too complicated? I have. This is the last time that I, Dr. Wellbody, the rhyming pediatrician, will be meeting with you. I've had a great time getting to know you, and I hope you've learned a lot. Here is a poem that talks about some of the things we've discovered. I have a special body, and it just belongs to me. There are some parts on my outside and others I can't see. I know about my body from my heels up to my head, because I've listened well to all that Dr. Wellbody has said. The parts that make my body keep me healthy and alive. They are joined in groups called systems. I've learned about all 5. There are skeletal and muscular, which help me stand and move, and the system called digestive that makes fuel out of food. My heart and vessels move my blood, that's known as circulation. My nerves work with my brain to get and process information. My systems form a network. It's amazing as can be. That's this complicated network makes the person that is me. Ooh, that was a long one. After all we've learned about our amazing bodies, I'll bet that you now will be able to answer the questions I asked you in our very first meeting. Let's go through and see what you know. All right, here we go. You ready? How many bones do you have? There are over 200 joined together to form your skeleton. Your skeleton keeps you standing tall. Your bones are joined together by joints whenever you can bend and move, or wherever you can bend or move, like your knees, arms, and shoulders. Some of your bones protect the softer parts of your body. Remember what protects your brain? That's right, your skull. And what bones protect your heart? Your ribs. Which muscle is the biggest in your body? It's your gluteus maximus or your buttocks muscles. Did you know that you use muscles every time you move? Often you decide when you want to move your muscles. For example, you have control over when to raise your arm or lift your leg, but some muscles work by themselves without you having to think about them. Does anyone remember what we call the muscle that works like a pump all day and night to keep you alive? Yes, it's your heart. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Why does your body still have food in it today that you ate 2 days ago? Food moves slowly through your body. It takes time for your body to digest food, taking all the nutrients from it that your body needs before getting rid of the waste. Food goes from your mouth, down your esophagus, and into your stomach before reaching your intestines. The saliva in your mouth and the juices in your stomach help break it down. Nutrients are absorbed into your bloodstream from your small intestine. The waste passes into your large intestine, and you get rid of it when you go to the bathroom. How long does it take for your blood to circulate all around your body? It only takes about 1 minute. Your heart muscle works hard to pump your blood all around. The blood moves through your body or your blood vessels. Does anyone remember what the blood carries with it on its superhighway? The blood carries oxygen from your lungs to all parts of your body. It carries nutrients from your food too. Your heart works night and day to keep your blood circulating. What controls your 5 senses? Your brain. You can find out about the world through your senses by seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling, and feeling. Nerves that connect to your spinal cord carry this information to your brain. Your brain is not only in charge of your senses, it also controls your thinking, learning, speech, and memory. It controls the movements you make and many other things for your body, or that your body does. Your is the control center of the body. Oops. Remember that none of the systems of your body can work properly unless you take care of them. That means eating nutritious foods and drinking plenty of water, exercising, keeping clean, and getting plenty of sleep. Oh, and don't forget to visit the doctor like me for checkups. Now, before we say goodbye, here's one final rhyme for you to learn and take away with you. I've got a complicated body, but I understand it well. Its systems form a network to keep me feeling swell. I'll take good care of my body. I'll exercise and rest. I promise to eat healthy food and to stay clean. I'll do my best. All right, friends. Goodbye, Dr. Wellbody. It was so nice to get to know you. And we're ready to review. Did you know all the answers to Dr. Wellbody's questions? That was a lot of questions and lots of stuff we learned. It takes 1 minute for blood to circulate through your body, 2 days for food to digest in your whole body, 206 bones in your entire body. The biggest muscle is your gluteus maximus. Your brain controls your senses. Your heart pumps your blood. Your muscles keep you moving. Man, there's lots and lots of stuff you do. What systems of the body does the joints belong to? Our skeletal system. What system of the body includes the gluteus maximus? The muscular system. What is the gluteus maximus? It's your bottom. What system of the body includes the body's most important muscle? The circulatory system. And what is the most important muscle? I'll give you a hint. It's your heart. Remember, it pumps all our blood. What system of the body includes your intestines? The digestive system. What system of the body includes your brain? The nervous system. And what system of the body includes your blood? Your circulatory system. Now, last question. Why is it important to exercise, stay clean, eat a balanced diet, and get enough rest? Because that's what keeps our body healthy. It protects us from getting sick. And if we do all those things, that we can stay really good and healthy. And it helps us recover if we are sick. So if you're sick, you get lots of rest, and then your body can help heal you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unit on the human body. I know I did. I want you now to go into Google Classroom, answer the questions that we have on our human body today, and then turn it into me. And I'll see you guys with our next lesson. Bye, friends.